Please, thank you very much. We've also had another, we have big dinners. Tonight we are having the dinner in Jinja. And I know we'll make it the dinner together. It's not a day for speeches. I thank you for coming and buying the cards so far. While we have the dinner, it's just to energize us.
Everybody who is here, we are very happy that you are here with us. Now, an apology from the bishop. I came late because I was going to pick up the bishop for this function. He greets you all and is with you. So, Mube, Mandanti, Bishop Ariwano, is waiting. He appreciates your support. Whatever you're going to do here, we shall report back, and then we shall tell you what we've done. Otherwise, you're almost welcome. I see the little sisters present, the daughters of men present.
Are we together? Ayi jabasinga bukala muhandiko omukono atuwedde. Father Peter. Father Peter alikoba nti mitwala 10. Jabasinga ajira. Father Peter mitwala 10. Eriyo omundi amwakanya oba ayongera ku jabasinga bana ali wano.
Chabazinga gwe balikoba ebigamba chabazinga musamba wa diguli y'embirira ebiri n'eyokusatu erikuliga
kawo eyo namyatami kawo
Father Peter takula ebitwale another table here. As added 100,000, chabazinga tuzo kugira 600
auction His Lordship Bishop Monica, who is going to lead us to Namugongo. I don't want anybody to live with any money in the wallet in this hall.
922 speakers.
922
speakers.
922
speakers.
922.
You need 100,000. 922 speakers. Still with 100. 102. Okay. 102 sealed. Ladies and gentlemen, speakers is taking the bishop. 1,072,000. Okay, William. 1,000,000.
That I am here tonight to preside over this important function, which is a precursor to June 3rd, the Martyrs' Day in Namugongo. I say and I believe that faith has no boundaries. With those few remarks, I want to wish you a blessed night. Thank you for making it.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.